Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Coach. In this video, I'm going to provide you a comprehensive practical walkthrough on how to manage a live project in Primavera from start to finish. Oracle Primavera P6 is a project portfolio management tool designed for planning, scheduling, managing, and executing large scale complex projects. To understand Primavera better, let's take an example where a construction company named ABC, they used to work from a small rented office and they decided to build a new office building of its own. So this was a new project in ABC company where the project name was ABC Corporate Office Building. The project type, we can say it's commercial construction. Duration decided was 6 to 8 months and budget is $500,000. This project was handed over to a project manager called Peter. Peter decided to manage this project in Primavera tool. So now let's open the tool and learn more about it. To begin with, let's understand the user interface of Primavera and how to navigate. Once you install Primavera will open. This is the landing page of the Primavera. So here on the top, you can see you have major menus like File menu, Edit menu, View, Project, Enterprise, Tools, Admin, and Help. And on just up below that, you have a toolbar where you have lot of shortcut options. You can see icons here, and on the left side and on the right side also you can see here the options. You have shortcut icons. Then primarily in the center you can see there are a lot of these are project icons. So these are projects. These are actually inbuilt project which Primavera has given. These are sample project which you can open. You can just right click and open and you can see all the documentation. This is for your self learning and reference, like how to work in Primavera. So you can keep this for a reference. If you want to delete, you can delete it also, but I would suggest keep this for a reference so that it can be a future point of reference and learning for you. And below you can see for every project which you click here, you can see the details about this project, which we are going to learn one by one in our future videos. So this is the primarily the navigating screen of Primavera. So before you start and enter your project in Primavera, one setting which I would recommend you should do before you add or create your project, you should go to the admin menu here, click on admin, go to admin preferences. In this here, you will get an option of industry. So you can select industry, click on industry tab, and you can select the industry to which your project belongs to. So here in this case, my project belongs to construction, so that's why I have selected construction. There are many options like government, aerospace, defense, utilities, oil and gas, high technology, manufacturing, and others. If you don't know your project category, or if your project category does not belong to the given options, you can select this third one, others. Otherwise, so here I am selecting engineering and construction because I am going to add my project, that's construction project. And then you can close it from here. Your industry will be selected. So after the industry settings, let's create a project in Primavera. But before we create a project, we have to define enterprise project structure in Primavera. So let's understand what is enterprise project structure first, and then we will go and create enterprise project structure or EPS in Primavera. Imagine trying to find a specific book in this pile. How difficult would that be? What if the same books are arranged in libraries? Suddenly, finding the book of your choice become effortless. So, like in library, the similar books are grouped into one category and placed. So you know that where the book of your choice is positioned. Similarly, in Oracle Primavera P6, the enterprise project structure is the way to organize the similar project into one category, or you can say grouping of project into one category, which helps you to decide where your project will be positioned in a enterprise means in a organization structure. So, within EPS, projects are structured, categorized, and easy to manage. So, now let's go to Primavera and create a EPS for the company. Now, to create EPS in Primavera, we need to click on Enterprise tab here. So, once you click on the Enterprise tab, you'll get a first option, that is Enterprise Project Structure. So, click on Enterprise Project Structure and a enterprise project structure window will open. So in this window, you will see on the right side, you have a scroll bar. Scroll and come to the end. Once you come to the end, select the last line, the last row here. And then on the right side, you can see here, there is a add button. Click on add. So once you click on add, a new EPS has been added. Now you can see there is one problem, that this new EPS is attached to the old one, right? So what we will do is I'll click here on this button, which will shift my EPS towards left. So one click, it has shift towards left. You can see again one more click. So after clicking one more time, see our new EPS is free from the old one. So to give it is a sort of marker, I start with company name so that you can understand that below this is your EPS. So my company name here is ABC Company, and here I would say that here I can write the short form ABC. All right. And after this, now I'll add the project category. Like in library, we have groups. Similarly, ABC is a construction company. So let's say I have one group called road construction company. Road construction. So in this group, we can place all the projects which are which are road construction project, which will be done by the company. Another group I will create. So in road construction, I'll write here short form RC, road construction. Okay, then the new project here, the new APS will be, let's say, bridge construction. So I can give a short form BC. And then I can add one more category, that is building construction. So building construction, I will write BU for a short form. So these are the three categories which has been created. These are broad categories which has been created. In these broad categories, you can divide this into for the subcategories, like in the road construction. So once you add, it will come down. So I want it under road construction. So I'll bring my new UPS under road construction and I'll shift it little towards, I want to push this new UPS under road construction. So I'll click this arrow button and let's say road construction India. So all the road construction projects for India will be placed under this category. Then again, I will add a new EPS. So a new uh, thing has been created just below the road construction. So this would be road construction US. Now next I will add under bridge construction. So under bridge construction I'll add bridge construction in India. So all the projects which are of bridge construction running in India will be placed under this category. And next would be bridge construction. Bridge construction US, United States. So all the projects run for bridge construction running in United States would be placed under this category. So for every, now see here, I have not entered the shortcut. So for road construction shortcut, I will give RC hyphen I. This is RC hyphen US. This is the short form. For bridge construction, I'll give BC India, BC US. Now under building, again I'll create a new EPS which I'll push. Click this button, it will come under building. So it would be building construction India. So the short form here would be BU hyphen India. And another, the last final one I will put BU. So all the building projects of United States. So building construction United States. So you can see I have created the category where I can easily later on when I create my project, I can position my project under these categories. Create this EPS, you can see this hierarchical structure by clicking here in the display button. So once you click on the display button, here you have chart view. So you can click on chart view, see you can see EPS of many projects and it is very small, it is very difficult to read. So again I'll go to display button and here I'll go and click on zoom in. So once you zoom in, you can see the text is bigger now and this is my created EPS. So ABC company, under this you have three: road construction, bridge construction, building construction, and then under road construction, so you can see here road construction India, road construction US. If you want to arrange it into horizontal pattern, you can click the road construction part and you can display, you can click on display and you can click on arrange children horizontal. So see, it would become horizontal. Then you can also click here and you can arrange, go to arrange children horizontal. And again here, click here, display, arrange children horizontal. So this is how we create the whole EPS. So see, my EPS has been created under road construction India, road construction US, under bridge construction India, bridge construction US, under building construction India, building construction US. So whenever a sub project, suppose I could now, when my EPS is ready, so whenever there is a project, let's say whenever there is a project for where bridge construction is going in India, so I will select this category in the EPS. So this is how EPS provides a framework, a hierarchical framework with the help of which when you construct the project, you know exactly where you need to position or where you want to create your project. So you can treat it as a library. So yes, and after creating the EPS, you can close it. That's all. Alright, so here we come to the end of the video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create a new project in Primavera. So don't forget to tune in into the next one. See you in the next one. Bye bye.